Hey everybody, so in today's episode we're going to take a look at the Silky F180. It is a very well built, compact, lightweight folding saw that was originally designed for gardening and pruning work, but now is used by countless dozens of bushcrafters and outdoor enthusiasts. So the primary reason that I purchased this saw versus other saws was the aggressive nature of these teeth. I've been using it for about a week now, and these teeth are super fast. They cut through both green and dry wood very well. So some of the key features are the fact that it does have the ability to fold, obviously, and it does have two different positions. So you can do that, or you can do that. And it has a very nice lock. It's very stiff. It also has the ability for you to tighten it up. There's a recessed nut on this side, so you can access this bolt here and tighten it down as it loosens up over time. It also is a very nice color, right? It's very high vis, and you won't or shouldn't be able to lose it in the woods. And of course it has the lanyard hole here that you can add a piece of paracord or whatever you want, bank line, and then, you know, hopefully lash it to your pack or to your hand so you don't drop it when you're out there in the field. Do a little bit of a weight check here, since this is most likely going to be used in some type of bug out survival camping backpack, and weight is important. There you go, 5.8 ounces. That's not very heavy at all. So it is very, very compact, obviously. It is very lightweight. It has the right color, so you can't lose it when you're out there in the field. And it has super, super aggressive teeth. I just love that about it. Also, I like the fact that it has two different cutting positions. So you can, if you're going to cut a bigger log, right, and you need the curvature of it, then you can do it in that position. If you're cutting something that's in an awkward position, perhaps lower than you, then you can use the more flattened position or the high angle position. All right, let's see what this guy can do. Ooh, it's a very smooth cut. Very nicely done. This guy cuts very well. It did bind up on me a few times, but that's probably operator error, not the saw's fault. All right, let's finish up like we always do with pros and cons. And the biggest pro for me has to be the fact that it is very compact. The next pro has to be that it is lightweight, 5.8 ounces. You're not going to notice that in your pack at all. The third pro, and possibly the biggest one, is the design. It's an A+. Whether you're talking about the lanyard hole, whether you're talking about this super grippy rubber handle, whether you're talking about this over-engineered latch, or the two-position cutting, or whether you're talking about the quality of the steel. This is very nice. It's very sharp. These teeth are very aggressive, well spaced. They cut very fast. As far as cons, well, I don't really have any. I do wish this was made in the States so it employed Americans, but other than that, I don't really have any cons at all. This is a very well thought out, fairly affordable. There are cheaper options out there. The Corona saw, the Laplander, those are cheaper than this, but this is not that much more expensive to purchase this. So I really think that you could do a lot worse for your money. But there's one other aspect about carrying a saw that I don't think gets talked about very much, and that's the safety factor of it. So this can cut you. It is very sharp. But if you get cut with this, it's probably a first aid type of scenario. If you carry one of these in your pack and you accidentally somehow, not paying attention, maybe not very experienced, whatever the case may be, if you accidentally put this into a body part, if you accidentally hit your kneecap or your leg, then this is a trip to the ER. This is very serious. You have to have many years of experience with this. You have to be very good with this to be effective. And you can hurt yourself with that. And the problem is that the level of severity of that is very high. So if you accidentally make a mistake with that guy, you're going to the ER. If you accidentally make a mistake with this guy, it's your first aid kit. It'll suck, but it won't ruin your trip or put you in a life-threatening scenario. So that's why I really dig the saw in my pack. Okay, as always, if you like these type of videos, do me a huge favor. Pretty please share me on social media. Comment, like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, be safe and be good.